In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Copilot. Copilot shows up in a few places, so I'll walk you through disabling it where most people see it, in Windows 11 and in Microsoft Edge. I'll also share a few helpful notes so you know exactly what each option changes and how to choose the one that fits your needs. Let's start with Windows 11 if you just want to hide Copilot from your taskbar. This is the quickest, least disruptive option. On your desktop, right-click anywhere on the taskbar. From the menu that appears, choose Taskbar Settings. In the list of taskbar items, find Copilot and turn it off. The button disappears immediately, keeping your taskbar clean and uncluttered. This does not remove Copilot from the system, it simply hides the shortcut. It's a great choice if you don't use Copilot and don't want it in the way, but you might want the option to bring it back later. If you change your mind, revisit the same taskbar settings and turn it back on. If you'd prefer to remove Copilot from Windows entirely, you can uninstall it. Open the Settings app, then go to Apps and choose Installed Apps. Scroll through your list to find Copilot. Click the three dots next to it, select Uninstall, and then confirm by clicking Uninstall again. This fully removes Copilot from Windows. Keep in mind that you may need administrator rights to do this, and a restart can sometimes be required to finish cleanup. If you don't see Copilot listed, it might not be installed on your build yet, or your device could be managed by your organization. Reinstalling later typically requires using Windows Update or any official redeployment method provided by your admin. Now let's turn off Copilot in Microsoft Edge. Open Edge and click into the address bar. Type Edge, Settings, Sidebar, and press Enter. In the sidebar settings, turn off Show Copilot or disable the Copilot sidebar option. This hides the Copilot button and stops it from appearing in Edge's sidebar, which can help reduce distractions while browsing. This change affects Edge only. It doesn't enable or disable Copilot in Windows itself. If your browser is managed by your organization, you might find this option locked, in which case the setting will reflect that status. That's it. You can hide the taskbar button, completely uninstall Copilot from Windows 11, or turn it off in Microsoft Edge, whichever best matches how you use your PC. Thanks for watching and take care.